Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to wind up the Sinew Puller. I ordered this Sinew Puller from one of our tie-dye friends in our Facebook group. His name is Nikolay. I might be not pronouncing that correctly, but he's over in Moscow, Russia, and the Sinew Puller came really quickly, so I highly recommend it. It came with a chuck for the drill, and I sort of fumble through this a little bit because it's my very first time doing it. Next time I think I'll go a lot quicker. I ended up asking for help because I was having a difficult time. So if you have a friend that can help you, it'll make it a lot easier. So again, I highly recommend this, and I'll put a link down to his Facebook in the description box. So I had it going the wrong direction, and it was unscrewing itself as I was winding it up, which is no big deal. Just screw it back on, and then I turned the drill around the other way, and I didn't have any problems from there. I'm not squeezing the handle of the drill all the way, so it's only probably going at half speed. I tried going really fast, and the sinew string would just get like all over the place, stuck. So slow and steady wins the race with this one. Overall, this was really easy to do. The unedited version, it took a little over 12 minutes to do it. Next time I know I can be a lot faster at it, but I'm really excited to try my new Sinew Puller. And again, check the description box down below for the information of where you can buy it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all for notification of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.